Happy Sunday, Intercultural Communication class. For those of you celebrating Easter today, happy Easter to you all. If you have just celebrated Passover, I hope you had a wonderful Passover. And we also have Ramadan coming up for our Muslim classmates later on in the month on the 23rd. So all three of the Abrahamic traditions are celebrating their holidays in the month of April this year. It doesn't always work out that way. So I just wanted to check in with everybody. This is week 14, and we really only have a couple of more weeks of classes left. So just a couple of updates. Remember, your application analysis paper is due on Tuesday evening at 11:59. A few of you have emailed me asking questions that were very similar, so I wanted to address those questions. If you are taking Hofstede's value dimensions, which again, this is a wonderful theory that you can apply to a lot of different things, you do not have to take every single value dimension and apply that to whatever your paper is. And there's my dogs again barking. So welcome to life at my house. So yeah, if you have an article and the story really only lends itself to analysis to one or two of Hofstede's value dimensions, that is perfectly fine. You don't ever think you have to do all of them. So, and the same thing goes for any theory that you choose. You can take a piece of it and go in depth. In fact, that's what I would rather have you do. So, again, my dogs. So that is the application analysis paper. If you have a question, you want me to read your first paragraph, edit anything for you, I am here to do that for you. So upcoming this week, we are going to continue our discussion of migration. I know some of you emailed me and said that the video cut off the last time, my voice cut off. I realize now what the problem was, so I am fixing that. But there was something on the last slide that I usually do as a class if we're all together. And I am proposing that on Tuesday we have a Zoom meeting as a class. I have proposed this before. Last week, my mothers and daughters class did a Zoom meeting, and it was really fun. It was so nice to see everybody. So I'm going to send out an invitation to you all tomorrow, and I would love to just meet up with you on Tuesday as a class. And what we can do is do this maybe, so I teach the 9:30 section of intercultural communication. I also teach an 11 o'clock section. So maybe somewhere in between there, maybe like 10:30, we could have a Zoom meeting. I would really enjoy doing this. I think you all would too. Then on Thursday, we're going to be covering our last chapter. I cannot believe this, but we are in our last chapter, and that is kind of what wraps everything up. So on Thursday, we will be covering chapter 12, and then the following week, I don't want to get too far ahead, but the following week I'm going to reserve to meet with groups, because we still have our group projects. Obviously, they have changed. They're different. We can't go to the actual site if you have not done that already. And so I just want to touch base with everyone and make sure that you're all on the same page. Take a deep breath. I hope everyone is doing well. I enjoy hearing from you. Look for my Zoom invitation and have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. And Easter Monday is a holiday at St. Edward's, so take an extra day to yourself. Talk to you later.